Want to turn your favorite photos into one creative layout with a freeform collage feature? You can arrange and design your pictures any way you like, no extra app needed. It's all built right into your gallery app, and it only takes a few taps to create a fun, personalized collage. To do so, open gallery app and then select the photos you want to include. Tap create at the bottom left, then select collage. While you are in the layout section, select the freeform layout. On the collage screen, tap a photo to move, rotate, or resize it. At the bottom, you will see 4 icons to help customize your collage, layout, or the current section where you can find the freeform layout, background to pick a background image or solid color and adjust the background transparency level, border to adjust the roundness of photo corner, and ratio to change the aspect ratio of your collage. When you are happy with the result, tap save to save your collage. And that's it. It's a quick and fun way to design your own collage, whether for social media, wallpaper, or just to keep your memories in style. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.